This 2016 Jayco Seismic 4212 double slide, side patio, rear 12 feet cargo is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 45 feet 2 inches in length and features two slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 7, self-contained, slideout, air conditioning, external shower, TV, auxiliary battery, and 146 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, 2 entry/exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Jayco Seismic 4212 double slide, side patio, rear 12 feet cargo is 15,765 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.